whoa. Did they have any idea what was going to happen? Because I don't know what's going on. Put me down. I don't like where are they taking me? I don't know where I'm going.
I'm watching this French collector. It's just about talking food getting eaten.
No!
Over and over again. I can't lie, this is cool.
Not again! I don't know what's going on. Not again!
This is still survivors.
Hey man, I know what I'm talking about here. Hey, you guys hear something?
It's Santa. It's Christmas.
Who's that guy?
What happened?
I can't believe he came down. What's he doing? He fit down the chimney? How? Guys, what do you have in that bag? He's leaving presents. Oh, he's a really nice guy. What's he doing? He's coming over here. I wonder who he is. Wow, that's really neat. Hey there, big guy. Where's he taking Steve? Hey, where are you taking me? Where are you going?